Meaning of dirt road.
Dirt road.
Dirt road.
Dirt road.
Dirt road. A dirt road is a type of pathway made of unpaved soil or gravel that is commonly used for rural transportation. It is typically narrower than a paved road, and may be uneven, bumpy, or dusty. Dirt roads are often found in areas without heavy traffic or urban development, and can be prone to erosion and damage from weather. Despite their roughness, dirt roads offer a certain charm and rustic beauty that appeals to some travelers, and may lead to scenic destinations such as national parks, camping sites, or hiking trails.